Hi everyone, welcome to Sweet Pea Sid's Inspirations. My name is Sydney and today we are going to learn how to do the Tunisian crochet back bar stitch, which is commonly known as a few different names. It could be, you can see it as a horizontal chain bar, closing bar, back bump. It has a few different names to it, but this is just very simple. Most of the time you'll see this mixed in with a few different stitches. So what we're going to do is you'll start off doing your chains and do your foundation row, which is make your chains and then go into them chains and drop a loop in each, and then do your return pass. And once you have gotten that completed, that very first stitch is always going to count as one stitch. And you will see that there is these bumps back here on the back side of your work. It almost kind of like, if you know anything about knitting, it looks like a purl stitch, but there is some of these back bumps here, and we are going to go in that back bump, which the first one is a little hard to see and might be a little hard to get into. But you're just going to go ahead and go into that back bar and then draw up a loop. So again, you'll see a back bump here that's right above your vertical bars. You're going to go into that back bump and just pretty much draw up a loop until you have reached the end. So again, just going through that back bump and drawing up a loop. And once you get to your last final stitch, you are going to go through those two vertical bars and draw up a loop. And then you'll just do your return pass, which is you'll pull through one loop, which counts as a chain one. And then you'll pull through two until you have reached the end of your return pass. And that is how we do a vertical back bar stitch. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give this video a like, share, comment, or subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.